I now want to talk about how I met the expectations of our accords. The first one is you will strive to be active in your own learning. I feel like throughout the year, we've kind of had to be on our own, or I've had to kind of be on my own with this online learning, and I feel like throughout the discussion boards, and I've turned in everything on time in the class, that I was able to be active in that. Number two is you will strive to be an active member of our classroom community through contributing your ideas and experiences. I think that the discussion boards were a big part of this. This was a place that I actually got to state my opinion and have others listen to it and comment back to what they thought about it. The third one is you will strive to listen to the ideas and experiences of your peers. Again, with the discussion boards, I was able to listen to what they had to say and then respond back to them with my thoughts or answer their questions and how they posted or what they posted. Number four is you will treat your peers with respect. I feel like every peer that I had, we all got along. I know online learning is a little different because you don't get to actually see them in person, but I was able to respond with my book partner and go back and forth, and we had no problems. Number five is you will do your best to be patient with technology. There will be hiccups. Some of the technology is also relatively new to me. We will figure it out. A lot of this technology is new to me. That we've definitely done some different or worked with some different technology that I will explain later in this website. But I think all in all, there's definitely some mistakes that I've made along the way, but we definitely figured it out. Especially related to number five, you will not let perfect be the enemy of the good. I think this explains itself as I've never tried to be perfect in this class. I've aimed for perfection, but I never let it get to me. I always tried my best during every discussion, every test, and every essay, and I thought that I did pretty well for this being my first semester. Number seven, you are human. You will make mistakes. You will do your best to see these mistakes as opportunities to learn and to grow. I've definitely made some mistakes this year. There were the time where I didn't put the captions on our first Cultura video, and there were times where I didn't understand or how to respond to someone's post. I had questions all year, but I definitely learned from them, and I continue to grow every day beyond this class and into my future.